Hey, how's it going, guys? I already started on these two. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. Today we're going to be working on these 2/4. I already punched the center out of them, so now we're going to deburr them. If y'all wouldn't mind tapping the screen once or twice, I sure would appreciate it. We're sitting at 0 likes, which is a little disappointing. So when I punch a hole in a coin, the inside edge is actually pretty sharp and kind of jagged, so this step just kind of smooths that inside out. And this tool I'm using, this is called a deburring tool. You can get it at like your local hardware store. It's just kind of a curved blade that rotates around. It's really good at cleaning up the inside of circles. Perfect for coin rings. I think it's usually used by plumbers. Something like that. I don't know, this is what I use it for, and it's great. I can kind of show you a side-by-side of a before and after. See how much smoother that top one is? Sorry, my fingers are dirty. I got some ketchup on them. But yeah, we're just going to clean up that other one real quick. And if anybody wants to check out, some of the stuff I make, there is a little gold link down here by the chat. If y'all will just test that out real quick, let me know if that works for you, if it pulls up my products. Just give it a go. I think it's a pretty cool feature. Sitting at 581 likes. Thank you guys very much. I know this is kind of the slow, boring part. We're going to start making these into rings real quick. There we go. For aircraft work, huh? Interesting. Good afternoon. What tool is that? It's called a deburring tool. This is a doming block. So we're going to use a doming block on a 1-ton arbor press and a ball bearing. Let's get real close here for you guys. Y'all check that out. If you guys think this is cool, tap the screen. Never seen anybody do that to a quarter before. I don't think so. Maybe some of you. Let's do another one. Well, if you like seeing people make coins into rings, you might as well give me a follow. That's what I do all the time. I really enjoy it, and I like sharing it here on TikTok. What's the oldest daily coin I've made a ring out of? The oldest one I have on hand is this one. It's an 1890 Morgan dollar. I'm sure I've made something older than this, but this is the oldest one I have that I can show you. Isn't that cool? But mostly I'm working on quarters. So I can do like specific years, or state quarters are my most popular rings. And if you want something fancier, I can do half dollars, I can do dollars, I can do some American Eagle stuff. I've got a pretty wide range. So if you're interested in getting one, check out the website. Y'all can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. on anything you get. That works store-wide. That's just my little thank you for joining me here on TikTok, watching my live and hanging out. I like to keep it nice and chill over here at coinringmaker.com. So I appreciate you guys joining me. We're going to sand these cut edges real quick. I'm making 2 quarters into rings. That's kind of what I do. I make coins into rings, guys. So this is just going to smooth that cut edge out so we don't split it as we start to stretch it. Woo! Thank you. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. I like to be pretty chatty while I'm working on my jewelry. Where's your website? It's the same as my username, coinringmaker.com. You can also find it linked in my profile. How big can I do a quarter? Size 13 is the biggest I can do a quarter. If you want something bigger than that, half dollars, I can go up to size 16. And like Morgan dollars and piece dollars, I can go up to 18. This is a sticker. I actually just ordered some more of these holographic 3-inch stickers, so these should be on the website pretty soon. Do I do a his and her bridal set? Yes. I have an American Eagle set on my website where it's 2 rings made from the same coin. It's pretty cool. Those are my favorite ones to make, and I can hunt down a specific year if that's something you're interested in. I do have a few available, but if there's something that I don't have that you would like me to find, I can do that. It's only illegal to fraudulently alter currency. So you can make it into jewelry, but if you try and alter a coin to make it look like something it's not, that's against the law. Yeah, very similar to a penny smasher. You guys can also tap on this gold chain. Let me see how many of you guys can see it. It's like a gold link. I'll use quotes. I call it a gold chain, but that confuses people. How many of you guys can see that and tap on it and like bring up my products? Can y'all see that? Let me know. Let me know if that is... Like, what would be the best way to explain to you guys how to find that thing? Yep, works perfect. Very nice, yes. Okay. I know a lot of accounts don't have that, so I kind of want to point it out. But that's like the easiest way to check out some of the stuff I make while you're like watching me on the live. Like, you don't have to leave the live, I don't think. We're just stretching these out on the ring stretcher here. Give you a little side by side. So this one is before stretching and this one's after. So what that does is really widens out that cut edge, makes it more ring shaped. Tap the gold link in the bottom left corner. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I really try to make like cool stuff. Like, I don't sell anything I wouldn't wear myself. And I try to have a decent range in pricing so that like pretty much any budget can get something cool. But like, keep in mind this is like handmade stuff, and like this wasn't easy to learn how to do, so I do have to charge some. Here are our rings so far, and I'm just waiting for my computer to load up. So I need to find out what prices these are supposed to be. Usually I check it on my phone, but I'm on live right now. So I'm going to give you guys a look at these while my computer loads up. See how they're doing so far. And then we'll finish sizing them up as soon as I can figure that out. Y'all feel free to give me a follow. Check out the website. It's linked on my profile, coinringmaker.com. Use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off anything you get. Love that you look at it and not navigate away from the live. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Thank you very much, guys. I put a lot of work into this. This is like a one-man show, so I've really tried to like build a channel and a brand and that I think is cool. So I'm glad you guys like it. Again, bear with me. I'm just trying to figure out what size these need to be. My computer is a little slow. While we do that, I can show you some other stuff that I finished yesterday. These are Kennedy $50 cowboy hats. They're pretty cool. This one's got the tail side out. You do heads up or tails up. Also made this yesterday on my live. This is a Mercury dime. This one's a size 5. It's from 1923. These are super difficult to make. But this one came out really nice. I still got some polishing up to do on it, but I can show it off. And this is what a finished quarter coin ring looks like. You see how this one's still kind of dull? I like to really make my stuff as shiny and polished up as possible. This is a 1990 quarter coin ring. Yeah, shipping's usually $4 in the United States. International shipping really depends on where it's going. But yeah, y'all check out the website. Use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. There's lots of cool coin rings on there. I do quarters, $50, dollars, all kinds of cool stuff. All right, here we go. Let's see what size these are supposed to be. The 87. That's this one. It's supposed to be a size 9. The large Susan B. Anthony options. Size 15. So we're going to stretch this one out a little bit more. What's the method for such nice polished finish? I use this. This is a flex shaft. It's like a big motorized spinning wheel thing. And I really knock and shine them up real good with that. Then I use polishing cloths. And then I use Sparex, like acid water solution. It's called Pickle. And that helps clean them off too. So there's like a 4-step process to getting them polished up. But I like them to be shiny. Alright, let's go back to what size this needs to be. 9. Mandrel here. Alright, so we stretch that out to about an 11. That'll be okay. What are we doing? We're making quarters into rings. What do I have? Any dollar ones that I can make and show you? Yeah. So this is a Morgan dollar one. And I got... There we go. This is the Susan B. Anthony you were talking about. have to hop back on here in